everyone. Welcome to week 5. We are running through the semester at an incredible pace. Everyone's getting their work in, or at least most of you, and I'm really happy to see that. And we've got another question of the day today. We've got our final drafts for our first project coming up. A lot on the agenda, but this will be a pretty short video since I just want to cover sort of what you're looking for and what is ahead. So we're going to share the screen. Okay, so here's our assignments. You'll note if you scroll down that the Project 1 final draft is due June 30th. That is this Sunday at midnight. For major projects, I do allow some extensions, but only if you email me before the due date. You have to email me before the due date asking for an extension, and then I have to approve your extension. Otherwise, I'm going to mark it as a 0 once the due date passes. So please, if you need extra time on your Project 1 final draft, please reach out to me. Let me know that so that you do not get a bad grade. Okay. As far as your rough draft goes, if you open up, you'll notice, some of you did it, you'll notice that I've left comments on each of your rough drafts. Those comments should be in the sidebar on the right side when you open up the assignment. Please do take those comments in mind and make revisions on your project. If you got a perfect grade on your rough draft, that doesn't mean that you'll get a perfect grade on your final draft. I just grade rough drafts for completion, not for quality. If I said in the sidebar, this is really, really great, here are a couple things to fix, go ahead and fix those couple of things, or else you will get marked down for missing them in the final draft. So that's really all there is to it. Please, when you're finishing your final draft up, go back through, look at the samples again, look at the Project 1 assignment sheet, make sure that you are hitting all of the points. This is especially important with the Project 1 assignment sheet. I want you to make sure you're doing these 5 things. As a lot of people missed was doing these 5 things. You have your introductory paragraph to your memo, you have your concluding paragraph to your memo, you have your next steps. The other sections are these 5 that are highlighted on the screen. Addresses particular readers, helps readers solve problems, reflects an organization's goals and culture, uses design to increase readability, and consists of words or images or both. Those are your 5 sections. You should not have different sections than that, just those 5 sections. And for each section, you should be analyzing how good of a job the document you chose does of doing each of these things with specific examples from the text. Again, a lot of you are off to a great start, but some of you really struggled to get these 5 things down. Okay, that's it for new instruction this week. Again, good job on your rough drafts. Here's our question of the day. This is kind of a long one. The question itself is short, but I have a long explanation, so bear with me. So what's something in your life that you have revised, right? We're talking about revision this week. So the question of the day is, what is something in your life that you have revised? Now, what I'm thinking about is like an opinion or a belief, a relationship with someone, a plan for your life, a career path, something that you've changed after getting feedback. So opinion or a belief, a relationship with someone, a plan for your life, a career path that you had an idea for, and then it changed after getting feedback. You revised it after getting feedback. So the sub-questions are, what feedback did you get? So first off, what is the thing that you revised? What feedback did you get? Did you get feedback from more than one person? How did you incorporate that feedback? And how did it change the thing you revised? So again, 250 words on what's something in your life that you revised. What feedback did you get? Did you get feedback from more than one person? How did you incorporate that feedback? How did it change the thing that you revised? As always, these should be organized in the memo format. Okay, we're gonna stop share. That's all for this week. Pretty simple, just get your question of the day done and get your final drafts in. Again, there are extensions allowed on those final drafts, but only with an email. On Monday, I'm going to go through and give 0s to everyone who doesn't have it, who hasn't asked for an extension. So please get those in ASAP. All right, that's all. I'll talk to you guys next week.